Hey, to connect your Battlenet to the PS5, all you have to do is just open your browser and simply open the official Battlenet website and log in into your current Battlenet account. Next, all you have to do is just to click on the right upper corner on your account and select account settings. From here, you will have to actually go into the connections, and now from this, scroll to the PlayStation network. Then click to connect. Now we have important information that we can actually connect one account per year. So there will be a 1 year cooldown before we can connect a new PlayStation Network account. So if you are sure that you want to connect this exact account, just click to continue. Whoopsie, that's the misclick. For sure, we have to click the continue. And now from here, we have to simply log in into our PS5 network account. So use this place, input your email, and when you click forward, if you click next, you will be able to input your password and finally log in into your PS network account, the same that you are actually using on your PlayStation 5. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.